Greetings, aspiring ranger. Welcome to Captain Qwark's fantastic intergalactic showdown extravaganza. Get ready for 70% training, 20% explosions, 10% accidental cloning, and 0% insurance coverage. My friend Ratchet will help you get started. Oops, that's not right. There, much better.
Hey there, Ranger. The name's Ratchet. Let's get you set up. This way, Ranger. We need help maintaining peace in the galaxy. Complete this training, and you'll join us as a Galactic Ranger.
Greetings, Ranger. My name is Clank. I will be guiding you through the rest of this tutorial.
Good news, the environment is ready to load. Give me 1 second.
Welcome to Megalopolis. An iconic weapon awaits for you at the end of the road, the Rhino. Get there, and you will unlock it. Until then, here is a burst pistol for you to practice with. Fire at the robo-mutts to test it. You will have plenty of other weapons to discover. Oh dear, in a regular match, falling can cost you a lot. Please tread with caution, as I'll only be able to assist you this one time. See these crates in front of you? Break them with your melee weapon. Excellent work.
Way to go, Ranger! You totally earned that Rhino! It is an ultimate ability, so it needs to be charged. But for now, Qwark will show you your last trial.
Looks like our rangers are ready to go. It's time to see them stack up against rivals. Many others have joined, and they will all compete to prove me who's best. For that, I have devised the greatest training ever created, the Bolt Rush. Be the first to reach 300 bolts to win the game. If you succeed, you will officially join the Ranger program. Good luck.
Time to try your Rhino. Give it your all. Tap the ultimate button to activate it.
Here we go!
You're doing great, Ranger. This is the last step. Let's do this.
Let's see what you got. No more playing around. Yeah!
Your opponent just used the ultimate ability. Yours is ready to go. Let her rip.
Here we go!
Good stuff, recruit. I intend to find the best of the best and assemble a new team of space heroes to do space hero stuff. See you in the next menu.
Welcome to the team, Ranger. We're glad to have you with us. Good luck and don't forget to have fun. Hey, you just won Lorbs, haven't you? Lorbs allow you to upgrade your characters. Try upgrading Widget. Let's try your upgrade in a game.
Three, two, one.
See ya! Fire away!
Double knockout. Double knockout. Double knockout! Finish! Greetings, aspiring Rangers. I'm thrilled to announce that, thanks to your impressive efforts so far, our games have picked up a co-sponsor, Megacorp.
What?
This sponsorship not only means big bucks for yours truly, it also means we can continue expanding with new weapons, game modes, environments, baddies, and... Did I mention new weapons? Now allow me to introduce our new project manager, Megacorp's very own, Wendy Warloth.
Yes. Hi. Thank you, Captain Qwark.
Thank you, Miss Warloth, and welcome to the fantastic intergalactic showdown extravaganza family.
Right. About that name. You're now part of the Megacorp family, and corporate has decided to go with Ranger Rumble.
Not as catchy, but hey, as long as the deposits keep coming, the contest keeps growing, that's all that matters.
Greetings, Rangers! I'm delighted to report that the Galactic Net is loving Bolt Rush.
So yours truly has decided to let Megacorp develop another mode of competition.
Yes. Allow me to introduce Total Rumble, in which it's every Ranger for themselves.
You mean the Rangers will simply run around blasting each other?
Or zapping, or vaporizing, incinerating, obliterating. Sorry, I got a little excited there.
It took an entire team of professionals to come up with that? How much did we pay them?
Oh, hardly anything at all. But don't worry, we've already surveyed the market. The fans are clamoring for this. Bring on the carnage!
I'm not so sure how I feel about Megacorp's involvement here.
I know what you mean. It doesn't matter how many rebrandings they go through. I don't trust it.
Have you heard the new slogan? We're always with you. Yeesh. Well, at least Wendy seems nice.
Maybe too nice.
I had a feeling you'd say that. I guess we'll just see how this plays out.
Hello, Rangers! I'm excited to announce that our simulation team has developed a new combat zone. The Ranger Rumble is going to Torrent 4!
AKA the Galaxy's Junkyard.
Corporate asked us not to say that.
Ah, Torrent 4. How could I ever forget you? Chasing Azimuth all over the Monolith fields, battling battalion of angry BattleBots. Ah, good times.
In my dimension, that's where Clank and I helped out a giant robot called the Fixer. He almost crushed us on the grind rails, but we talked it out.
Well, yours truly once single-handedly fought off 1,000 thrashers on Torrent 4, with my hands tied behind my back.
To Torrent 4!
The Galaxy's Junkyard!
No, that's...
Congratulations, aspiring Ranger. Through proven grit and determination, you've been granted access to a new game mode. Here's Miss Warloff to tell us more.
Hi, hello. So, after conducting numerous intergalactic focus tests and surveys, we were able to identify some interesting market trends that...
The Galaxy wants sports, so yours truly came up with a brilliant idea.
Actually, we already contracted a team of professional game designers to develop a...
Game designers? Ha! That can't be a real job. Besides, you're gonna love what I've come up with. I'd call it Blast Ball. Let the games begin! We've just hit 10 gajillion simultaneous viewers across the galaxy.
It was 10 billion, but nevertheless, this is a major milestone, Rangers. And it wouldn't be possible without your talent and drive.
Speaking of talent and drive, yours truly will soon be hosting a virtual celebration ceremony. And some of you lucky Rangers will be invited to attend and meet me. Well, this avatar anyway. So keep climbing that leaderboard. Onwards and upwards, Rangers!
Hello, Ranger. If you are seeing this message, it is because I have been monitoring your progress and behavior. And I think you're someone I can trust. I have encrypted this message so that only the intended recipients may view it. Anyone else trying to access it will be redirected to a live stream of a tyrannoid nest. Saying that out loud now, maybe I do not need to lower my voice. I have detected some curious anomalies within the simulation engine. Phantom echoes, inaccessible data clusters, unverified player profiles. It is possible that it is nothing to be concerned about, but I am asking select Rangers to keep their eyes peeled and report any unusual occurrences. I will continue monitoring the situation from my end as well. Thank you in advance for your help. Kit out.
Greetings, Ranger. We have come to inform you that a rather generous benefactor, who prefers to remain anonymous, has taken quite an interest in your performance. As a result, they would like to sponsor you.
Which means you're getting some special goodies.
The benefactor sent along a note to let you know that they will be keeping a close eye on your progress.
Which means you'll be getting more goodies! Keep up the good work, Ranger.
Hello there, Ranger. I have been monitoring the combat data and I am almost certain that there is an unwanted invasive presence in the simulation. I have detected several anomalies that seem to be moving behind the simulation's representation engine, somewhere deep in the code. I would like to install Simulacra Data Miner in your avatar to collect more granular runtime information. I hope that is all right with you. Ratchet and Rivet tell me you could confirm by giving me the highest of 5s. Excellent. I will upload the SDM now. You will not notice any difference. Please continue progressing so I can monitor the situation more. Oh, and you are doing great. Keep it up. I bring good news, Ranger. Thanks to the Simulacra data miner that I installed on your avatar, and the avatars of a few others, I have collected a large enough data sample on the anomalies to properly analyze them. Keep competing while I dig in and see what we can learn. And please, keep this between us.
Salutations, valiant Rangers. Miss Wendy and I come to you with thrilling news.
Yes, hello. I'm pleased to announce that one of our teams at Megacorp has been working around the clock to...
Oh, yes. They've been so dedicated to this endeavor, they've been sleeping in the office and neglecting their families.
Oh, we don't like to highlight that. That's...
No?
No. Anyway, we're pleased to reveal that we've created a new simulation environment. It's ready to be tested by the best of the best. That includes you. Congratulations!
Pretty exciting stuff, Ranger. When you're ready, head on over to the new environment, and let's see what it's all about.
Welcome to the swamps of Sargasso. This is my home planet. In my dimension, anyway. I grew up here, hanging with the Morts working the gelatonium factories. I was their one Lombax delivery crew, and they were pretty much my family.
This planet's also home to grubsnackers, anthropods, and grunthors. So, good luck, Ranger.
Salutations, valiant Ranger. If you're seeing this, it means you've been selected to attend my virtual Hooray Big Success Celebration Party, which begins now. Now then, I have an exciting exclusive announcement to share. Thanks to all you aspiring Rangers who've helped make this contest such a success. My wildest dream for this whole endeavor is about to come true.
They're about to become real Galactic Rangers?
What? No. But I have an offer from a buyer to acquire the show.
Not just the show, Qwark. The simulation tech, the Galactic Ranger's name, all associated IP and licensing.
Wait, what? I thought Ranger Rumble was all about assembling a new team of heroes.
There will be a new team of heroes. They just won't be my team of heroes. Cause I'll be kicking back and sipping Comet-tail headbangers at my own private resort on the tropical planet of Pokitaru. Thanks to this upcoming sale, I'll soon be able to afford a down payment on one of those delightful exclusive islands. Hooray for me!
All right, Qwark, talk. Who's this buyer you're so excited about?
It's none other than the hottest startup private peacekeeping force in the galaxy. Mercs. Or MMM.
Captain Qwark, you technically weren't supposed to share that information just—
Don't worry about it. Ratchet's an old friend. He won't tell anyone. Isn't this great, Ratchet?
No, it's not. Rangers who signed up for Ranger Rumble thought they'd be joining the greatest heroes in the galaxy. Not a bunch of sleazy mercenaries.
Sleazy? Why, Interstellar Fortune named Mercs one of the Buzzy 500.
And what number are they? 499?
500, actually. But that's not the point.
The point, gentlemen, if I may, is that thanks to the seed money invested by MMM, Ranger Rumble is thriving like never before. Let's focus on the positive, okay?
Now we're talking.
Hey, Ranger. Hope you don't mind me contacting you. But I wanted to... Hey, wait a minute. Why am I Clank? Oh, I picked the wrong avatar. Just give me a...
There we go. Better. As I was saying, I imagine you're not wild about Ranger Rumble being sold to Mercs. Neither am I. But the good news is, the deal with Mercs isn't final yet. So we still have time to prove to Qwark that this bunch of budding heroes is too great to sell to some low-life, peacekeeping startup. Keep doing what you're doing, and we'll find a way to change his mind. Ratchet out.
Greetings, aspiring ranger. It would appear that your anonymous benefactor has sent you another gift. They have also sent a recorded message. Your performance so far is rather admirable, Ranger. I trust this contribution will help you progress further. I am watching you with great interest. I wonder who this generous benefactor of yours could be.
Hello there, Ranger. I have some good news. I have finished analyzing the data you've been collecting and can confirm that there is a nefarious presence inside the simulation program. I now realize this is probably bad news, but it is good news that we have this knowledge. The anomalies are accessing the system through buggy lore orbs.
Or as I like to call them, blorbs!
Yes, these blorbs are dispersing rogue signal interceptors that seem to be capturing and recording real-time combat data during contest events. We still do not know where they came from or what they are really up to. As you continue competing, my simulation data miner can gather more information. Keep it up! We will not let you down!
Hello, Rangers of Ranger Rumble! Captain Qwark here with some thrilling news to share. As of that last contest, we've hit our ultimate funding target.
Penultimate funding target.
Ah yes, penultimate. Even better.
No, not better. There's still one more target to reach.
You mean 10 bajillion subscribers isn't enough? What's more than 10 bajillion?
The contract specifically stated 11.7 bajillion.
That's oddly specific.
We prefer precise.
Nevertheless, we're almost there. Pokitaru, here I come.
I gotta find a way to get through to Qwark.
Hello, Ranger. Thanks to your efforts, I was able to trace the signal of those pesky rogue interceptors. The data they are gathering is being transmitted to our dark side facility, orbiting around Yeedle in the Bogon Galaxy. I will look into this matter more and report back. In the meantime, keep up the excellent work. Oh, and thank you.
Journey's been so far. Warp speed pals from star to star. Never trust the cue. We know what to do. Better together. Our bond is bolted tight. No one smash us in a fight to save the universe. Try